Speak, listen, up.
You get nervous when saying hi? Let's learn how to introduce yourself confidently and make people remember you. Make sure you stay with us until the end and hit like, share, and subscribe.
So, how do I introduce myself without sounding like a robot?
You mean not like, hello, my name is Emma. I am from planet Earth.
Exactly. That's how I sound in class.
Okay, let's fix that. First rule, be yourself.
Be myself? Even when I'm nervous?
Especially then, people love real humans, not perfect speakers.
So, no good morning, ladies and gentlemen?
Unless you're giving a speech at NASA.
Got it. So, hi, I'm Emma.
Perfect start. Simple, warm, and natural.
Okay, but then what? People just stare after that?
Add a hook. Something interesting about you.
Like what? Hi, I love coffee?
Yes, that works. It starts a conversation.
What if I hate coffee?
Then say something funny. Hi, I'm Emma, and tea is my soulmate.
That's cute. So, humor helps?
Totally. It breaks the ice.
Okay, so, hi, I'm Emma. I'm from New York, and I love cats more than people.
That's honest. People will remember you.
What about I am 30 years old?
No, don't say your age first. This isn't a passport form.
So, what do I say instead?
Say what you do or what you like.
Like, I work as a teacher?
Yeah, or make it lighter. I teach kids. They make me laugh and cry every day.
That's so real.
People love stories more than facts.
So, skip age and focus on life.
Exactly. No one cares how old you are. They care who you are.
But sometimes my voice sounds too serious.
Smile while you talk. It changes your sound.
Really? Even if nobody sees me?
Yep, you can hear a smile.
That's kind of magic.
And don't forget intonation. Say it like music, not like a robot.
Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. Warm, open, friendly.
I feel like a radio host now.
A friendly one.
What if I want to sound interesting, but I have nothing special?
Everyone has something. What's one small, weird thing about you?
I can make pancakes shaped like cats.
That's awesome. Say that.
Really? That's not weird?
Weird is cool. People remember weird.
Hi, I teach English and make cat pancakes.
See? I already like you.
That's the goal, right?
Exactly. Connection, not perfection.
Okay, but what if the person doesn't ask me anything back?
You ask them. Keep it balanced.
Like, and what about you?
Yes. Or something fun. So, are you more coffee or tea?
That's smooth.
Or, what's your favorite weekend plan?
That's a good one.
The key
is curiosity. People love talking about themselves.
I like that. Feels easy and natural.
That's how friendship starts.
Sometimes I forget words in the middle of talking.
That's fine. Just use fillers.
Fillers?
Yeah, like, kind of, let's see.
Oh, like I'm from kind of near Chicago?
Exactly. Sounds natural.
I always panic when I forget.
Don't. Americans forget words too. We just pretend we meant it.
So, confidence is the key.
Always. Even if you fake it a little.
Okay, so how do I end the introduction?
Say something like, "It's nice to meet you," or "I'm happy to be here."
What about thanks for listening to my TED Talk?
Only if you want to sound funny.
I like being funny.
Then do it. Just watch their face first.
Nice to meet you, and I hope you like cat pancakes.
That's gold.
You'd remember me, right?
Forever.
What mistakes should I avoid when introducing myself?
Speaking too fast, sounding too serious, or giving your life story.
So, short and sweet.
Yep. Around 3 sentences is perfect.
Hi, I teach English. I make cat pancakes.
Boom. Perfect.
Feels natural now.
You sound confident and funny.
I feel famous already.
You are the pancake queen.
So, that's it? I can introduce myself like a pro now?
You can and you will. Just keep it real.
I like that. Real, not perfect.
That's my golden rule.
Thanks. You make English sound fun.
It is fun. Language is just people talking.
And laughing.
Exactly. That's how learning works.
Okay, one last time. Hi, I make cat pancakes.
Perfect. You just nailed the art of introduction.
Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.